Hello, Miss. Good evening. Introduce myself. My name is Maria Mude. My name 332100093 and class 336007. So today I will presentation my project UTS Sintax about the constituency. Okay, let's start. Definition of constituency. Constituency in linguistics refer to a group of words that function as a unit in a sentence. This grouping is based on the syntactic structure of sentence where certain word or phrase are combined to form layered unit. Constituency help in understanding the parts of a sentence that are different but still relate to each other. In analyzing sentence, one pivotal tool in the recognize that sentence consists not of word but of structural units called constituent. Linguistics treat sentence as a consisting parts of their large grammatical unit. This unit in turn can be broken into smaller units, which in turn can be analyzed further. From this point of view, the constituents of a coordinate sentence are its coordinate clause and the conjunction joining them. As in this example, Anggi bought Maria a new bag but she doesn't wear it often. Anggi bought Maria a new bag, clause 1 or subject 1. But conjunction, she doesn't wear it often, clause 2 or subject 2. Next, example of constituency. Consider the sentence. The cat chased the mouse. In this sentence, we can identify several constituents. The cat is a noun phrase, NP. Chased the mouse is a verb phrase, VP. Verb phrase, VP. The constituents represent group of words that function together within the sentence. Linear order of constituents. The linear order of constituents refers to the schedual arrangement of words within a phrase or sentence. It is correct current how words are positioned relative to each other along a linear or one-dimensional axis. Example, left to right in written language or word order in spoken language. Linear order of constituents is crucial for analyzing the syntactic structure of sentence and comprehending how different linguistic elements combine to convey meaning. The key point about the linear order of constituents, word order 1. Word order in sentence. Language exhibits specific word order patterns that indicate how constituents, example, subject, verb, object, modifier, are arranged in a sentence. Common word order type include subject, mean verb, mean object. Verb mean subject, mean object. Subject mean object, mean verb. For example, in English, the linear order type can follow the pattern subject plus verb plus object. For instance, see its apple. Continue. Order of element within phrase. 2. With constituent like noun phrase and P, verb phrase VP, professional phrase. The order of word in structure according to the syntactic rule of the language. For example, in English noun phrase, the big red house. The linear order is determined plus adjective plus noun. Big red house. 3. The dependency and process structure. The linear order of a constituents reflects the hierarchical structure and dependency relation between word and phrase within a sentence. Its constituents means a specific linear position relative to other constituent, contributing to the overall grammatical structure and semantic interpretation of the sentence. 4. Sentence parsing and composition. Processing the linear order of constituent is essential for sentence parsing and understanding. Speaker and listeners rely on word order choose the interpret the syntactic rule of word and phrase in a sentence and extra meaning from linguistic input. Cross-linguistic variation. Different languages exhibit different word order patterns and syntactic structure, leading to variation in the linear arrangement of constituents. Hierarchical order of constituents. The hierarchical order of constituents refers to the net structure of phrasal within a sentence. Constituents are organized hierarchically, while large constituents can contain smaller ones. For instance, in the sentence, the cat catches the mouse. The verb phrasal catch the mouse is part of the layered sentence structure and itself contains smaller constituents like the verb chase the, and the noun phrasal the mouse. Structural ambiguity. Structural ambiguity occurs when a sentence can be interpreted in more than one way due to the arrangement of the constituents. This ambiguity arises from the different possible syntactic structure that, that can be assigned to a sentence. For example, in the sentence, I saw the man with the telescope. The telescope with the telescope caught ambiguity modify either the man, meaning the man had the telescope, or saw, meaning I used the telescope to see the man. These ambiguity areas do the different ways in which constituents can be grouped and interpreted within the sentence structure. Continue. Look at example. He showed the card to his brother in New York. This starring of what is ambiguous. That is, it has more than one possible interpretation. Sometimes ambiguity results from the fact that a word has two meanings, as in bank. In the previous sentence, the ambiguity arises not from the individual word but from the fact that the string of words has two possible constituent structures. We can break the example in different ways to indicate the different constituent structure. He showed the car to his brother in New York. He showed the car to his brother in the New York. Part 2. Solve all problem and explain this case using the diagram below. 1. Aldi went to the cinema last week. 2. The fastest runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. 3. The old and big tree sweat in the hurricane. 4. The youngest sister but the doll in the purpose. 5. The big girl saw Eleazar with a lovebird panda recently. Number 1. Aldi went to the cinema last week. Subject, noun, Aldi, cinema. Verb, Praza, Aldi went to the cinema. Preposition, Praza, to the cinema, determine the. Determine definite article the. Number two, the fastest runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. Subject, noun phrase, the fastest runner. Determine the. Adjective faster. Verb phrase, won a gold medal. Preposition phrase, at the Olympic. Number three, the old and big trees wet in the hurricane. Jack, noun phrase, the old and big tree. Adjective or big. Preposition phrase, a fifth. Verb phrase, sweat in the hurricane. Preposition phrase, in the hurricane. Determine the. Form, the young sister put the doll in the purse. Subject, noun phrase, the young sister. Subject, adjective, younger. Verb phrase, put the doll in the purse. Determine the. Preposition phrase, in the purse. Noun phrase, the doll, the purse. Number five, the picture saw a laser with the lovebird panda recently. Subject, noun phrase, the figure. Article, the or did. Article or did the adjective pig, noun girl. Verb phrase, saw a laser with a lovebird panda. Jet, delta a. Preposition phrase with a lovebird panda. Adjective, recently. Adjective, lovable. And thank you. Thank you, Miss, for watching my video. Bye bye.